It's Fabfitfun mystery bundle time. So if you want to see what's in my refill bundles, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me this evening, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So these are my refill bundles. Now I've been sitting on these for a while because I did have somebody contact me, another YouTuber who wanted to do a mystery bundle battle. So that's Tammy over at Tammy Shows Merch. So that's already filmed. That will have dropped on Saturday, June 1st. And these are the other two bundles I have. Now, Tammy picked the number. She has no idea what I got. I have no idea what she got. We have different bundle numbers. So she picked the number, and it wasn't a great one. If she had picked a different number, things could have gone differently. Now, I don't know right now when I'm filming, because I'm filming it right after I filmed the mystery bundle battle. I don't know if she's got a better bundle than mine, but I would have to say that it can't be much worse. So if you didn't watch that video, go check it out. If I knew how to link them in like those little cards, I have no idea, but one day I'll figure that out. But just go to my channel and look at the videos and you'll find it, and you'll know that if she'd only picked this other one in my hand right now, things would have gone very differently. All right, so I have two bundles. I have 003 and 004. So I'm going to show you 003 first because it is the smaller one. Ooh, let's hide that from you. These are the $19 refills. I am an annual subscriber, so these came from my annual box. And because Tammy got different numbers for her seasonal, I'm going to guess that annual and seasonal will have different ones, different variations, because the bag numbers are different. I could be wrong though, but typically, yeah. So these are $19. You get 3 items, and they're supposed to have a $75 value. Now I can guarantee you, I can 100% guarantee you that my mystery bundle battle with Tammy, that was no more than maybe $50 value. And that's only if the Tula product was around $36, which I suspect it was. Again, I'm still happy to get that one Tula product for 20 bucks. Don't get me wrong. It just wasn't the best bundle. All right, so what's in this one? I got 3 scrunchies from Summer and Rose. They're very similar to the other 3 scrunchies from Summer and Rose, so I'm going to put these aside. By Voss, we have the Sugar Scrub and Bubble Wash in Citrus Crush. That sounds delightful. That sounds like right up my alley. I love a citrus scent. Already, this bundle, I mean, there's 1 for 1, but I'm going to tell you, this bundle's better than the one that she chose for me to use. But that's how it goes with me in mystery bundle battles. All right, so here is that bad boy. It's probably sealed. It is. I don't want to open it yet, but my hope is it smells delightful. And this is a vegan and clean brand. And by Ole Hendrickson is the Dewtopia 25% Acid Flash Facial. All right, so here we go. It retexturizes and brightens with 10% AHAs and 15% PHAs and Scandinavia Rowberry extract. All right, there's how that works. I do like a good Ole Hendrickson product. I love their lemon facial scrub. It smells so good. All right, it's a rowan berry extract and 20% calming aloe vera to reveal a dramatically more even and radiant complexion. and at night put it on clean, dry skin, leave on for 5 to 10 minutes, and then remove with a damp cloth. Use 2 to 3 times a week. All right, so that is 003. 004, we got a big one here. The first thing in here by Gloasis is the Glow Shot Supercharged Hydrating Serum with vegan probiotics and prickly pear extracts. And there is how she looks. She looks like she's got maybe a milky texture. Next, we have a summer hat, and this is made out of paper. Kind of like that bucket bag. This is by Summer and Rose, so finding a price on it will be very difficult unless they have it currently in their store. And I think I said before, not really a hat person, but it is cute. I think it's neat that it's made out of paper. And the final item is, now this is another Fabfitfun brand, I believe, because you go to their store and everything's sold out and they have nothing. And this is by Short Stories. It's part of their Macy Blackwell collection. And we did have that as a choice item. Not this one, but we did have a 3-tiered like tapas board for a choice item. This is a 10-piece tapas set, so that is not the same thing that I had gotten. I will say that I do have that that 3-tiered board on my kitchen table. It's there year round. I put different little like dip bowls on there depending upon the season. I'll make little cheese and cracker things on there, things like that. We don't even have company, but I do it for us. So on top, we have 3 of these spoons. They are, I think, plastic, like a heavy-duty plastic, or are they ceramic? I can't tell. They kind of feel like plastic. Then we have 3 of these, but these have these adorable little lids. Wait till you see. These could actually go on my little, all right, and then there's room for the spoon right there to be sticking out. Two more. And then there's a little place to put them. So how adorable is that, huh? So you're having, you know, company over or not. In my case, I just like to, you know, be bougie sometimes. And you can put your condiments in here. There's already a little spoon. All right, if you're having taco night, you can do, you know, your lettuce, onion, tomato in these. And have your little spoon so that the spoons don't touch. So the spoon probably is ceramic because it kind of has like a sound when you clack it. So super, super cute. And honestly, like this here is the whole entire bag for me. I mean, that Gloasis product does seem like it's a nice product. But this right here, for me, I'm a sucker for home stuff. So which bundle did you like better, the first one or the second? Are you a sucker for home stuff too? I know some of you are. I know there are some of you who love the home stuff. Wendy Jean, if you're watching, I'm going to guess that the second one was your favorite because I could see you totally like using those and taking them out for everything. Like, we're having a special breakfast. There's 3 kinds of jams. Like, so I know that you love the home stuff, Wendy, like me. So let me know though, which one was your favorite out of the 2? All right, and make sure you check out that mystery bundle battle with Tammy Show's merch because there is a giveaway associated with it. Thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.